Today I'm going to explain about most important topic in sheet metal, that is bend allowance, bend deduction and K factor. I'm going to show you this simple component. Consider this bend. The material from inside radius certain plane, it is going to compress. So this is the plane. This is called a neutral plane. So, but if we want to measure this arc, we have to calculate mathematically. That is called bend allowance. So this bend allowance, what is the important and how we calculate, how the formula is derived, I am going to explain in detail.